business loan broker. I want to play a game. Dear broker, for years, some of you have operated in the shadows, enticed by the allure of quick success, trafficking in the dark market of full package leads. You've been trading in the very lives and dreams of business owners, using their sensitive personal and financial information as mere tools for your gain. But at what cost? The temptation, the fleeting glimmer of a shortcut to success, has led you down a dangerous path. But what you fail to realize is that with every illicitly obtained lead, you are not only risking the privacy and safety of others, but also the very foundation of your own career. Every time you trade, every time you close a deal with these ill-gotten leads, you leave behind traces, fingerprints that technology and other interested parties can follow. And when they do, your empire built on deception will crumble. However, all is not lost. You have a choice. You can continue down this path, becoming consumed by greed, facing the inevitable consequences, or you can choose the right path, built on honesty, hard work, and genuine relationships. It might be longer, it might be harder, but it's real. The future of your career hangs in the balance. You'll continue to play with the lives of others, or will you choose to rebuild and save yourself? Remember, life is a series of choices, and every choice a consequence. Make your choice.